Hey, what's up everybody? We're at our Tiki Lane place, and what do we do today is we got bed sheets for the bed and put up curtain rods, no curtains. So it's almost getting ready to be lived in. So this bed set up, that already has hangers but no rods. We got to get the curtain rods. So we can take a look outside. Did a quick look. We brought our ladder. One bummer part is it's been super dry here, so it doesn't look like anything really sprouted. So we planted all over here and like nothing came up. I mean, it's one thing there, couple of things there, but yeah, nothing came up. Transplanted the chili peppers, but that didn't go. Did one more here. This still has some green. Hopefully the habaneros come back. But it's been super dry. There's like a drought condition on the big island. The crazy part is it's raining in Miloli. So hopefully the rosemary holds up. There's still some green left on that, whether this plant comes back. It's the bed we did last time. And what we found out was, we had a big debate about it. This is lilikoi. Here's the lilikoi fruit. So we were almost getting ready to pull this out. Well, there's one that's yellow over there. Oh, it's all kind of shriveled. Oh, there's a yellow one. So this is kind of crazy because we were trying to grow the lilikoi up in Catamaran and it just would not grow. Oh, there's a big feather. So we have lilikoi. That's pretty cool. So I think one thing we're going to do today is we're going to work on this pile of brush here. Kind of put it through the shredder. This eventually is going to be another bed, garden bed here. I don't know if we're going to get to that today. But I want to try to clear up some of this rubbish here. And there's like it's like a never-ending dropping of these palm fronds. So we're going to try to run those through the shredder. We actually have papaya. Hopefully they get big because our papaya tree at Catamaran never grew. And we still haven't figured out what we're going to do with macadamia nuts. But yeah, it's time to get to work. And what's really nice too is this hibiscus is doing really well. And hibiscus at Catamaran, something ate all the leaves. A lot of bees. That's cool. Well, anyway, it's a long weekend. Gonna start getting to work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.